Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have an account. Now make the special repo named exactly as your username and initialize it with a README. MD. Once done, open the repo in the GitHub web editor or clone it locally to start editing. Make your first changes: a one-line bio, contact link, and 2 key project references. This gets the generator to target the right repo. Make sure to save and commit immediately so the generator can read the file and apply templates. Now focus on structure. Choose a template that matches your goals and replace placeholder text with concise bullets about skills and projects. Use markdown headings, lists, and relative image paths for portability. Once you add badges or GitHub stats, preview the README to verify rendering. Make sure images and links resolve. If using a generator tool, copy the generated markdown back into your README. MD and commit. These middle steps shape how visitors scan your profile. Finish by committing and pushing the final README. MD to the username repo and ensure the repository is public. Once pushed, review your GitHub profile to confirm the README displays. If you want updates, iterate, edit, commit, push. For troubleshooting, if the profile README doesn't show, check that the repo name exactly matches your GitHub username, that README. MD is in the repo root, and the repository visibility is public. Fix those and refresh the profile. Your README should appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.